Renewable Natural Gas, RNG, is a biogas that can help meet the growing demand for affordable, reliable, low-carbon energy. RNG is methane that is captured and refined from biogases that would otherwise be released from a variety of decomposing organic waste material, such as municipal waste, wastewater sludge, animal manure, food waste, biogenetic feedstocks, agricultural residues, forest product residues, and energy crops. RNG can be injected into the existing natural gas delivery infrastructure to immediately begin reducing greenhouse gas emissions. When comparing the use of RNG to diesel in the transportation sector, RNG offers the dual benefits of reducing the life cycle of greenhouse gas emissions by 95%, as well as significantly improving air quality. The increasing demand for affordable and reliable low-carbon energy ensures that RNG can supply a significant portion of today's demand for natural gas and play an important role in a clean energy future. Natural gas utility and innovation, leading the way to a sustainable energy future.